Hello, my name is Dr. Raffi Tchakerian. I'm an aerospace designer and a professor in the Dubai Institute of Design and Innovation. I have been invited this year by Nuqat to conduct one of the design workshops. The topic this year is very interesting and it's related with societies. Societies are becoming increasingly diverse and there is a need to nurture positive relationships between diverse ethnic groups. Still, there are a lot of barriers for integration. During the workshop, we are going to use advancements in modern technologies in combination with design tools to try to overcome some of these barriers. During the 4 days, there will be a phase dedicated to research, where we are going to analyze the various barriers in mind, those of education, interaction, integration, and so on. And afterwards, we are going to see how could we use design interventions that have to do with services or physical devices or even environments. For example, how could we use artificial intelligence and virtual reality solutions to overcome some of these barriers, or create environments that could somehow facilitate cultural interaction and dialogue between different ethnic groups. So please register, and the workshop is going on both in Kuwait as well as in the Dubai Institute of Design and Innovation, and hope to see you there.